We often visit new places. The challenging part at such new places is different people speak different languages. As a result, communication in local language can be a struggle while traveling. Here, the Google Translate app comes handy as it instantly translates your speech or text to the desired language. It also displays the phonetic pronunciation text of the translated language to get a better understanding. Google Translate will also pronounce the words that will help us refrain from the pronunciation errors. Let us see how to use the Google Translate app to communicate in different languages. The purpose of Google Translate app is to translate any language to the desired language. First, let's install the app on our mobile. To do so, we will tap on Google Play Store and then we will enter Google Translate. And then tap on Install. Please wait till the app downloads and gets installed. You can see that the app is installed on our mobile. We can directly tap on Open, or else we can go back and tap on the icon to open it. Let's tap on Back. Yes, you can see the Google Translate icon on our mobile screen. Tap on it. Now here you can see the default languages to translate from English to Hindi, which means whatever we type here will be translated from English to Hindi. We can tap on the arrow icon to change and make it Hindi to English. Similarly, you can carry out translations from any desired languages to the preferred language by tapping on the language drop-down arrow. For now, we will tap on Back. For instance, let us see how the translation from English to Hindi is done. You have to simply type the sentence of which you want the translation. In our case, we want to ask where is the local bus stand located. So, we will type I want to know where is the local bus stand. You can see the translation below it. Tap on the translation. Yes, you can see that it has translated in Hindi. If you want, you can hear it in Hindi or read it in English. We will simply tap on the speaker icon located before the Hindi word.
मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि स्थानीय बस स्टैंड कहाँ है.
After hearing this, you can simply repeat the sentence or else you can directly read it by reading it in English. That is, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि स्थानीय बस स्टैंड कहाँ है. In this way, Google Translate helps you to learn, understand and communicate in multiple languages and connect with the world around you. The app works as a travel buddy which will help you communicate while traveling to new places. Go ahead and translate in various languages of your choice.